Hello. If you stumbled onto this video, you are probably one of many who are unable to achieve significant financial success due to your foolish habits. Do not fret, you are not alone, and by watching this video, you have already set out on the path to improving your life. The first step to do so is to address your habits. Today, we will talk about financial habits that everyone should adopt to live a life without any compromises. Control your impulse spending. That awesome jacket on sale in the winter, those sneakers you will wear twice in your lifetime, that useless accessory on a discounted price, does this sound familiar? It is time to take control of impulsive purchases. Research conducted by discount website SlickDeals showed that, on average, Americans spend $450 per month on impulsive purchases, amounting to $5,400 a year. Impulsive purchases are mostly emotionally driven and are typically a result of some kind of disorder, such as low self-esteem, anxiety, sadness, or even boredom. To solve this issue, here are 3 steps you should take to rectify the situation. Postpone purchases. Take a 24-hour pause to consider what you wish to purchase. Leave the item on the shelf if you are in a store, or in the cart if you are online shopping. Take the time to review your mental checklist to determine if the item you are wanting to purchase is actually necessary, or will it be more of a detriment rather than a benefit. If after 24 hours you still wish to acquire the item, you can make an informed decision as to how it fits within your budget. Evaluate your budget and savings. This is an incredibly important step when it comes to financial literacy, hence why it is habit number 4. Seek support. Do not try to do this alone. Finding support and accountability can help you avoid impulsive spending. You can meet up with an accountability partner once a month. This can be a spouse, friend, or someone else who is also working on their financial health. Have monthly meetings where you honestly share how things are going and get feedback and support. Eliminate and avoid debt. You need to make a rule for yourself. If you don't have money for a new phone or car or whatever, then you have a wall in front of you. Put that goal aside when you have free resources, but not to buy on credit. But if you've already lost your footing and fallen into the credit trap, start with this. Organize your debts. Not all kinds of debt have the same impact on your finances. To find out which has the greatest impact on your budget, gather the latest statements from all your creditors. Record the creditor, amount owed, monthly payment and interest rate for your accounts. Knowing which debts have the highest minimum monthly payments and interest rates will help you determine which debt is costing you the most. Use the debt snowball method. The less you pay each month on your debts, the longer it will take to pay them off. Interest can increase repayment terms in a geometric progression, and most debt obligations increase interest payments each month. Many people consider the snowball method a good way to pay off debt. This method allows for noticeable progress by paying as much as possible each month on the smallest balance. At the same time, make minimum payments on all other debts to keep your accounts in good standing. As soon as you pay off the smallest debt, move on to the new smallest balance and continue the process until all your accounts are. Ask your lender to lower your interest rate. Higher interest rates allow you to stay in debt longer because most of your payment goes to your monthly interest charge rather than your actual balance. However, interest rates can be negotiable, and you can ask credit card issuers to lower your interest rate. Lenders do this at their discretion, so customers with a good payment history have a better chance of successfully negotiating a lower rate. Third tip: read one financial book each year. Reading a finance book every year will help you stay up to date on the latest strategies and concepts in the world of finance regardless of your life and financial ambitions. Understanding personal finance principles can help you make more informed decisions and understand the potential risks and rewards of various strategies. I would recommend starting your journey into reading books on these topics with Bodo Schafer, The Road to Financial Freedom; Robert Kiyosaki, CashFlow Quadrant; Napoleon Hill, Think and Get Rich. If you want more cool books, post in the comments, I'll do my top. Fourth tip: track your spending. Tracking your spending is one of the keys to making your budget work for you. If you don't know how much you spend each month, you won't be able to tell when you are overspending. Even small expenses can cause you to break your budget. Make a list of your income. List every paycheck you received that month. Don't forget the extras, such as side earnings. Add it all up. This is the amount you have to work with this month. Make a list of your expenses. It's time to plan out everything you'll be paying for this month. List your expenses in this order. Savings, 10% of your income. For walls, food, utilities, housing, and transportation. Other major expenses, insurance, debt, childcare, etc. Additional expenses, entertainment, restaurants, etc. Subtract your expenses from your income. If you have money left over, that's great. Put it in baby step. I'll leave a link in the comments to explain this value. If you end up with a negative number, reduce the planned amounts or cut the extra expenses to zero. Now that you've made a budget, you have to stick to it. This is where tracking comes in handy. Fifth tip: learn to say no to yourself. We are programmed to say yes. Ever since we were little, we've been trained to do it. 5 more minutes won't hurt, right? If you're watching a TV show, putting off an assignment, or doing some other embarrassing thing, it's all too easy to let your willpower slip away. So how are you going to set the record straight and tell yourself no at the most responsible moment? The key to saying no is to be honest with yourself. It's perfectly normal to have a weak spot. Everyone has one. Think about what temptation or situation always seems to be the best for you, whether it's turning your alarm clock on too often, spending too much time on social media, or something else. Acknowledging your weakness will help you take a step in the right direction. Here are some examples of possible weaknesses. Skipping going to the gym to hang out with friends. Watching TV instead of going to bed at a convenient time. Taking on extra assignments at work, even if your schedule is busy. Remind yourself that you are in control. Believing that you can say no is half the battle. It's easy to feel that your willpower is beyond your control, but that couldn't be further from the truth. At the end of the day, it's up to you to decide what you do and when you do it. Once you accept this, it will be much easier for you to refuse to act in tempting situations. You can say to yourself, I woke up on time this week, and I can do it again. I am a strong, capable person who is in control of my life. I don't have to do anything I don't want to do. Forgive yourself if you stumble. Nurturing self-discipline is a journey, not a race. Think of it this way: if it were easy to say no to your temptation, it wouldn't be temptation in the first place. Everyone has moments of weakness, and you have nothing to be ashamed of. It takes time and practice to say no to yourself, so it's important to be gentle with yourself. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you understand basic financial habits. Remember, when you like our video, you are helping to spread the word and have a positive impact on the world. Let's make sure everyone can benefit from the knowledge we shared today.